Take 315 pipe, STR 17.6 as an example. Let's start. Connect the machine and turn on the power. Set the heat absorption time first. Press and hold the set key, T2 starts to flash. Set the endothermic time and set T5 cooling time according to the previous step. Set the endothermic time and set T5 cooling time according to the previous step. After setting, press set to save. Open the rack and clamp the pipe. Clamp the pipe to ensure that the middle gap can be put into the milling cutter. First measurement of drag pressure, that is milling pressure. When the rack moved slowly, the pressurization was stopped. Check the pipe misalignment. Adjust the movable bolt to make the misalignment less than 10% of the pipe wall thickness. Open the frame and put in the milling cutter. Lock the stop pin. Switch on milling cutter. Close frame. Start milling welding surface. After forming 3 circles of continuous milling, reduce the pressure properly and open the rack. Close milling cutter. Take out the milling cutter. Remove the milling chips from the bottom of the frame, and do not touch the welding surface by hand. Set the pressure to 0. Start the second measurement of drag pressure. Check the welding end face. The clearance should be less than 0.3 mm. Check the misalignment of the pipe, which should be less than 10% of the wall thickness of the pipe. Confirm whether the pipe and pipe fitting are clamped. Pressurization to total welding pressure. The drag pressure is 1 megapascal, the theoretical pressure is 1.3 megapascals, and the total welding pressure is 2.3 megapascals. Open frame. Check whether the heating plate temperature reaches the welding temperature. Add the heating plate. close frame. Observe the hemming height. When the crimping height reaches 2 mm. Release the changeover valve. The pressure is rapidly reduced to the drag pressure through the relief valve. Press the red button to start the countdown and end of the endothermic phase. Endothermic stage. The endothermic phase is over and an alarm is given. Do not loosen the changeover valve. When the crimping is no longer bright and the color brightness is basically the same as that of the pipe. Press the green button to start the countdown and end of the cooling phase. The cooling countdown is over, and the alarm is given. The pressure is reduced to 0 through the pressure relief valve. Dismantling of welded pipe. The whole welding process ended. Open the rack for the next welding cycle.